हेलो देवी भाई।
Yes, yes, Pradeep bhai. So I
जस्ट
should, yeah, okay. So D,
डी।
yeah.
ओके। हर्षिता।
Yes, sir. G.
जी हर्षिता जी। नेहा। नेहा।
Yes, it's M.
एम। ओके। सो ओके अमित भाई। एस। ओके। महेंद्र। ओके राजेश भाई।
I.
आई। ओके। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। सो फर्स्ट लेटर इज डी। Okay, so Devi bhai, whatever topic will be
Yes.
assigned to you, you have to speak on this. Okay, so this one is
Okay.
okay. Topic
Uh,
is your favorite movie. So your time start now.
mm, so I'm just remembering which are the movie I. Mm, okay, so let me say that the Kavan of Pyare is my favorite movie. So whatever that movie is, just came in my top of mind. That's why I'm saying this Kavan of Pyare, because that is the where I started watching Hindi movies when Hrithik Roshan came into acting. So that's why, and during those time, right, I was in maybe preschool, I guess, preschool. So that time we went theater and watched that movie. So that songs and all, still I'm listening those songs. It's sung by uh, Udit Narayan and Alka Yagnik and many more famous personalities. So I used to listen the songs of this film.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Supi, choose a letter. Supi. Supriya.
Yes, sir.
S. S. Actually, someone has already taken. You have to select a letter
And
except D, G, M, S, I.
sir, N.
M is already taken by Mrs. Neha. So
No,
N,
she
N,
said
N.
N.
N. Okay.
I
Okay.
said
Okay. Thank you. So second is G. Oh, sorry. Yes. G. Okay. So
I said
Harshita.
huh?
Harshita, are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So your topic start now.
Yeah, music that I like is like something traditional, and and I don't like fast music and rap song music. Something like the music comes from traditional background, and it and it should be melodious, and it should make us calm. That kind of music I used to listen, and I like that most. And yes, sir.
Just try. Just try. Still
Sir,
30 seconds are remaining.
sir, regarding this topic, I have no idea.
Okay. Okay.
I don't used to listen music. That's it.
Okay. Okay. So next is Rajesh Bhai. Rajesh Bhai, are you there?
Yeah, I am here.
Okay. So you have chosen I. You have to speak on your
Yeah.
best friend. Your time start now.
Yeah. So best friend is a best, it's a part of life. Whatever he gets, so time isn't.
No. Please continue. Actually, just
Yeah.
I make mistake.
So, the importance of the best friend in a life. Every trouble time or happy time, they always touch with the himself or me. A good best the person who have the the support every time. What's the requirement, and he get the friendship without any selfish. So according to me, best friend is a good for both if both are do not take it selfish. So
Okay.
yeah, it's from my side.
Okay. Okay, Monsin bhai, please choose a letter. Monsin bhai.
I'm going to take a letter M.
No, accept M. Actually, M, S, N. Except this, you can choose any.
Okay, T.
Okay. Because
T.
choose a letter.
N.
N. N is already booked.
Yes, yes, N. Yeah.
क्या चाहिए?
So O.
Oh, okay. Okay. So,
O.
okay, now we are moving towards M. M is Mrs. Neha.
Yes, mine.
Okay, so Neha, you have to speak on this WhatsApp group. Your time start
WhatsApp
now.
group.
Yes.
Yeah, nowadays, like whenever we find that we need to uh, we need to make some community, and we need to have some give some important information, and we have some gatheration of people. So we usually made a WhatsApp group, and this WhatsApp group not only a mode of communication, like it's a source of business also. Like most of the people now take it this source as a this resource as a promotion of their business. And not only this, people through these WhatsApp groups, people are all around the world can contact can come in contact with each other. So I think this WhatsApp group is just like a blessing to each and every person's life, which has give us lots of opportunity to come in contact with each other, to have chance to utilize our time and energy. And yeah, at the end, it's a source of promotion, and it's an amazing source of promotion right nowadays.
Actually, I think you have not seen the topic about this WhatsApp group. Means spoken practice only. Okay, that is okay.
Okay, about this one. Oh,
Look,
okay.
that's not problem. Okay. Now, Supi. Now this is your turn, and your letter is N. So you have to talk about for 1 minute about yesterday. So your time start now. Supi, are you ready? Okay, your time start now.
Sir, so did I become music daily, and so after I
Supi, there is a problem in your
I
voice. Supi, your voice is breaking up. We are unable to listen anything. Okay. Okay, Vikas, are you ready? Vikas.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So your letter is O. So
Yes, I'm ready.
okay, you have to speak
Yeah.
for 1 minute on your hobbies. Okay, your time start now.
Okay. Yeah. Yes. So my hobby, I'm telling you, my hobby is playing cricket. That's will not available in cricket, but I'm telling it football. My hobby is football. Football is very interesting game, and football not in only of the game. Football is your capacity, your immunity, and your health is good. Your play football. I'm telling you, football is which type game care you are running it very highly of the your very high run of the in play game in football. So I'm telling you, football is very important for the play any people in every day, any time of play football. It's very important, and uh, yes, that's my time out, sir.
No, no, your time. You can
Okay, so
see
I
on
am
the
telling you,
screen.
football play is my hobby. Okay, okay. Yes, so I'm telling you, my hobby is I'm telling in playing football. So football is very interesting game in that sense.
Okay, also you can see on the screen here is progress bar. Okay, if this progress
Yes.
bar is complete means your time is end. Okay, so
Yeah.
now
Oh, oh,
moving
oh.
towards
Yes, yes. Okay, okay. That's
S.
complete.
Amit bhai, Amit bhai, are you ready? Okay, so Amit bhai, S. So your time start now.
What is your plan for tomorrow? So I think that's for the plan for tomorrow. It's a Sunday, so generally wash my clothes and watching neat and clean of the home, generally in the home, and after that some market grocery item um, uh, what's in the home item that are not in the home, so we purchase and so and you can say that's a long time. I think that's that can up to 5 o'clock. That's enough for all the work. That's a start.
Okay, so now Monsin bhai, Monsin bhai, are you ready?
Yes, I am ready, bhai.
Okay,
Please
so
give me a chance.
your word is T. So
T, yes, T.
okay, so you have to speak on this your daily schedule.
Daily activity.
Yes.
So I got a chance. I'm ready to speak. Daily activity. Daily in the morning, woke up at 5 o'clock. I'm I got fresh up and I go to ground. I walk for 45 minutes. Then I went to home. Then I fresh up. Then I go to market. I purchased some vegetable. I came from home. I went to home. Then I play with my kids. Then I got fresh up and I go to office for doing my legitimate duties. There I am busy schedule. Then I come then I come to home for lunch. For a while I rest. Then again I'm going to office. Then I do perform my legitimate duties as DSP office. Then I came to an evening. Just I will I do take some snacks or some break. Then I go to office. So whenever I get time, just I listen our group audios and someone group's audio, the topics, related topics or other topics. Sometimes if I get sometimes I will represent some topics and I listen and this is I do read some national, international news and I obtain some words,
Okay, man,
some
Monsin
words I
bhai,
identify as.
your time is end.
Oh, sorry, bro.
No, 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 you have to speak only 1 minute, and I think you have spoken more than 1 minute. That's why. Okay, okay, okay.
Motion by do lot of work. Motion
Yes.
by do lot of work. So 1 minute is not enough. For one day you
Okay.
give to him.
Thank you.
Okay, Om, are you able to speak? Om,
Is my voice audible or not? First, tell
no,
me
your
this.
voice is audible. If you want to speak, so you have to firstly choose a letter from remaining letter, then you can start. Just choose a letter, your
Uh,
favorite letter.
my favorite letter was O, but
Oh, okay.
it has been chosen. So I will choose my ex-girlfriends later, that is K.
Okay. So K for Kavita. Okay. Let's start. So now you have to talk about your favorite sports player. So your time start now.
So my favorite sports player is Rolando Messi. Sorry, Messi. It's Messi, and he's a very great player. And I don't, follow so much about the sports person, but I do like playing sports. Only I know about the Messi because he is quite popular and quite famous, and Rolando is also there. As my profession, as my favorite sports is football, so I know about them. And is time running, or from my side
No,
it is showing that time is stopped?
no. Actually, I am watching stopwatch also. So I think there is no problem. Just continue. You have completed only 30 seconds.
Okay, so I was saying that because Messi is very well known in the realm of football. So Messi is my favorite sports player and also one of my motivation. It is also one of my great motivational motivation inspiration when I play football. When I play football, I watch Messi's skills,
Okay. Thank
which helps me. And
thank you, Mumbai. Thank you. Okay.
okay, from
Okay.
my side, there was
No.
the
Actually,
screen was just paused.
I just forget click. That's why. Okay. Basically, this process
Okay,
was running
I
on the
thought.
on click. So just I forget clicking. That's why. Okay. So Supi, you are last. So Supi, if you are able to speak, then you have to choose a new letter. So then you can proceed. I think Supi, there is a problem in your voice because we are not getting your voice. Your voice is breaking up so much. That's why. Okay, that is not issue. Better luck next time. No. We are unable to
Sir,
hear.
it's okay. I'm ready, sir.
It's not okay,
Sir, I'm
Supi.
ready for.
It's not okay. Okay, actually, we are not getting your voice. Even 5%. That's why I'm saying. Okay, don't worry. We are going to
Oh,
start our second activity, and that is very easy one. So, and as basically in this activity, within 10 seconds, you have to find a correct word. What can be word in against of that picture? Basically, there is a combination of two picture or three picture. You have to guess. Suppose there are many pictures in which you have to tell what is basically Indian movie name, and there are some also related to vegetable, fruits, and items. So basically, you have to find what should be correct name for that. So we are going to start within 10 seconds. You have to tell. So first is this. You have to tell what should be this.
iPhone.
Okay. Next one.
Milkshake.
Okay, Archita, you are right.
Milkshake.
Yes. Devi bhai.
Keyboard.
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 Yes. Now you have to tell the name of that girl.
Basanti. Basanti.
Yes, Basanti.
Chole Basanti.
Yes, this one.
Tomatoes.
Tomato
Tomato
soup.
Tomato soup.
Tomato.
Oh,
Tomato
yes.
soup.
Okay.
Yeah.
Next one.
Yellow book.
Facebook.
Yes, this one is Facebook. Guess the word.
Hot dog.
Yes, hot dog.
Hot dog.
Now guess this word.
Cat
Batman.
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 Yes, yes.
Bad.
Lion King.
King Lion. Lion
Okay.
King.
Now this one. Om Bhai.
Love letter.
Yeah.
Love letter.
Love letter. Yeah.
Love
That
letter.
You have to tell the name of country.
Japan.
Japan.
Yes, Jap. Okay.
Uh,
Pura.
Red Bull.
Red Bull.
Yeah.
Red
So,
Red Bull.
Indian movie.
Namaste London.
Namaste London.
Namaste, London.
It was
Okay, this one.
Houseful.
Yes.
Yes.
This one.
Oh my God.
Love Pyar Dhokha.
Okay, just try. Anyone?
Love in the air.
Love Aajkal.
Movie name can be in Hindi also. Okay, so just try to convert in this Hindi, then you can find. Here is do. Dil.
Jeep.
Dil do. You have to choose this.
Dil.
This one is Dil Dhadakne Do. Okay? Dil Dhadakne Do. Now this one. This one is not easy, but just try.
Kabutar Raja.
No idea.
Pooja
Okay.
Galekau.
Urta Punjab. Okay? Punjab. Punjab. Punjab.
Yeah.
This one.
एक था शेर.
Ek the tiger.
Yes.
Tiger.
Okay, this is last one, and just you have to tell some words by using this letter, coronavirus. Just try to make some 3-letter words. How many letters you can make?
Virus.
Sun. Sun.
Pandemic.
Sun. Air. Sun, air.
Firstly, tell me 3-letter word. 3-letter word.
Yeah. SUN sun. AIR air. And
VN
VN.
van.
B.
Yeah.
T19.
First one is air. Second is van. Third one is
Sun.
T19.
sun.
ROUR.
R-O.
Car.
Yes, car. There is two sun. One is SON and second is SUN.
Van.
Van, ran, and
Run.
there is a 10 letter. Means you have to make already 1, 2, 3, 7, 8. There are 2 things. Just try 2 letter more. Means
Or.
or means OR. No, this is 2-letter.
OUR.
Yes.
Hour.
No.
Hour, sorry.
Or. Okay. Or. Okay. Last one. We have already formed 9-letter. One is remaining.
There are 2 R's. AR. No, not E is.
E is not there.
Yeah.
So till now we have found air, van, sun, car, sun, and
Sin.
what can, run, ran, and R. One is missing.
Sin.
Sing is
SIN.
yes, sin, sin,
SIN.
sin, sin means pap. Okay. Now four-letter word. Four-letter.
Roar. ROAR.
Okay, R-O-R, roar.
Rover.
Rover, spelling?
ROAR. Rajna. I think spelling maybe.
Someone has already told.
Rover.
Yes. Just think different.
Avon.
Soon.
SUOR, sure.
Soon.
Okay, yes. Okay,
Yes.
SOON.
SUOR, sure.
yes. Already
Okay.
completed. Second, now third one. There are five,
Virus is there. Yeah.
but virus is five-letter word.
Okay.
We are talking about four-letter. And roar, soar, we have already.
Soon. SOON.
Yes, that is
Stop
also.
man.
Yes, soon. Two more.
Innova. Innova. It's the Innova.
What is meaning of Innova? I think
Innova is a brand name.
Innova have five-letter, and that is start from I double N V O.
Iron. Iron. Iron.
Yes, IRON,
Iron.
iron. Yes. Last one. Last one.
Corn, CORN.
C?
Yeah. Corn.
Yes, corn.
Corn.
Okay.
Or
Now, C, five-letter word.
Virus.
Virus.
One is virus. Yes. Virus. Virus. There is one more. Just try to find out. Actually, I'm also not getting. That's why I'm saying. So,
Dasna.
Rasna. Amit bhai, you are thinking very much different to others. Means Rasna.
Sir, you told everyone to think
It's a
different.
one.
Yes, yes.
It's not the English. It's
So, okay, it will be homework. That's not problem. Tomorrow you can tell also in group. Yes, I have found many words. Okay, last one. Five plus letter one. Just five plus means six letter, seven letter, eight letter, whatever. So one is
Coronavirus.
one is coronavirus. Yes, yes. Second one. Just tell me second one. Okay.
Purna Sarib. SURIP. SURIP.
Okay. So what is
Corona
mean?
survive.
Corona survive. Okay.
No.
Okay, so I think now time up. So thank you guys for attending this session. So we are going to end up this session now. So thank you. And this will be homework for tomorrow. You can find three to four.
Serious, sir. Serious.
Yes,
No,
five
no,
plus.
no, not, not.
There is
Sorry,
no
sorry.
E. There is
Wrong.
no
It's
E. There is no E. Just try to think out because there is I think three letter, which is just five letter word, and in this there are two letters of five plus two. So just try to
क्या
find
कर रहे बंद कर रहे क्या?
except coronavirus. Okay. So thank you guys. Thank you for attending this session. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. All right.
Okay. Okay. So thank you.